and paint the floors and stuff up under there. So yeah, just a little bit of time, guys. Hey, you like these videos, like, share, subscribe. You can follow this build. Go to the playlist and you'll see from the day I brought this car home to where I'm at right now, guys. So sorry, guys. So I want to measure from the top of this frame down to see how high do I gotta be here. So it looked like 25 or 26 to get me there for sure. So then I want to measure here, make sure I got enough room. I'm at 34, so that's way high enough. But and the same with the front. I want to make sure I'm high enough. So this is 33. It's still high enough once I drop this frame. But look, I'm forgetting. I gotta measure for, so 26, and this, what I'm gonna roll this out on is about 6 inches. 6 inches, so that's gonna be 26, that's gonna be 32. Well, I'm out there. I'm at 34. I'm just gonna clear 34 and 33. So I'm gonna jack this front up just a little bit, and I might jack this whole thing up just a little bit, about maybe an inch here and then maybe 2 inches in the back. And then that should be high enough, guys. So alright. So hey guys, I want to go in the middle of these two 4x4s. And these are 8 feet. And I measured, got about 63 inches. So to get to the middle of here and here, where that is, this is about 11 inches, a little more than 11 inches, and the other side is 11 inches. Alright, so now I'm going to flip this over. So thanks, Scotty. My guy Scotty made these up for me. So look at that. He wasn't even here, he just did them. That's just how good he is, guys. Alright guys, so I got all of these braces on the bottom for both sides. So now I just want to come in, line this up where I want it on each side. Okay. Alright, so about right there. Alright guys, so this is how I got this set up. I didn't film some of it because it was just too much drilling and everything. I just want to get this brace up under here, but I'm going to go up under now, and I got to put these supports right in this area here on all four sides. So I'm going to crawl up under here now and get this secure now. I still got the frame supported, guys, and then I got the back support. I'm gonna raise that up a little back there, and then I still got, even though this is actually, if you see, this is actually supporting this now. You see, that's not even touching at this point, but I'm pretty secure that I can go up under here and this ain't gonna cave in and fall in on me. I'll raise these up if they'll go up anymore, but I still got the jack stands and up under the front end and the rear end, so I'm not really worried about nothing caving in on me here, guys. So alright guys, I got all the braces in there. That one came out the side, that ain't cool. But yeah, I got all the braces on there all the way around here. So it's on the body, so I'm gonna be dropping this thing down tomorrow, getting this frame up out of here. And then I'll be able to go up under and start getting these, the bottom of these floors. Getting the bottom of these floors painted up, guys. So, alright guys, if you see all of these blocks stacked up, you know it's time for this frame to come down. Alright, so what I got here now, guys, remember I had the big boys there in the back. I just had them there and I put them back there. Just really don't need to be needed, but it's better to be extra careful than not careful at all. Now these bushes here, I don't think they come in the frame kit, so I want to make sure I take care of them. I don't think they come in the bushing kit, but I'll figure it out. I know with my showstopper, they did not come in the kit. So I'll take care of them. So I got all the blocks from up under here. I got my little rollers here. Scotty stopped by and told me to reinforce this along the top, which I did. So now this thing really ain't going nowhere. So So the frame is loose, guys. It's ready to come down. I just got a jacket on up, and this stuff ain't nothing here. It's just extra wood that just extra wood for right now. So all I got to do now is jack this baby down, guys, and get ready to roll this baby out. All right, so I'm gonna go up with this just a little bit. Just enough to get that frame to come loose. Drop these jack stands down out my way. Both sides. Position my little car dollies there. These are the first car dollies I ever bought, guys. I don't know if you see them. They ain't good. Alright, so now this frame should be ready to come all the way down the back. Then I'll drop it all the way down in the front. It took a little time to do this, guys. Alright, so that's what I was... Oh, okay, hold on. I don't know why I ain't thinking. I got the block up under there, so I gotta move this block from up under there. So put this down. That block don't want to come out. There it goes. Come up under there. All right. There we go. So to get this to drop all the way on the ground, I have to remove that block from up under there. Now I can move these out. Now she should drop all the way down. All right. There you go. I should have just put some rubber in there. Alright guys, so now this frame is down. It's ready to come up out of here, be rolled up out of here. It should roll pretty easy here. I tried to call my guy Bink, see if he'd come by, give me about 15 minutes, but he didn't answer, so I know everybody be busy, which is fine. But I should be able to take my time and get this out of here myself. All right.